give you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tessie, and if this is your first time of passing through my channel, guys, I am like your personal guide to upgrading your synthetic hair, showing you where to get the best human hair and reviewing wigs from AliExpress. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna be reviewing this wig, yes, like from scratch to finish. I totally made this wig. If you do want to know how I make my wigs, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will definitely post a video. Today's video is sponsored by Molastar Wigs, and they have provided me with 3 bundles of 24 inches body wave in color 1B and 99J. I've also got a 16 inches closure, and it's a 4x4 closure. I'm gonna be making all of this into a wig, and guys, this is usually not my thing because I don't make wigs from scratch. It takes a lot of time and it gives me like a lot of stress trying to record it. So in today's video, I'm not going to be recording everything. I'm just going to be showing you bits and pieces on how I made this wig. So this is the closure, and yeah, this is a bundles that I'm gonna be making into a wig. As you can see, I've got my block head and I've got my dome cap. I went with a very small dome cap because I've got a tiny head, and my block head is also in 23 inches, which is quite small. I've got the big one, which is the 24 inches for when I have clients that want to, you know, make a wig, you know, clients that has bigger size of head. So yeah, but I'm gonna be using the 23 inches one. Also, I've got my wig making pins. I don't know how, you know, the wig makers call that, but yeah. So to start, I'm just gonna start pinning down my closure, and while doing this, you might want to leave like 1 inch between the closure and where the dome head starts, so that it helps lay the closure very well when you take the excess dome cap underneath the wig out. So I went ahead and pinned that down, and that was actually looking flat, and I was like, you know what, I think I've got this, because it's been a really long time I did that. So I'm just going to turn it around and show you guys how it's looking so far. So after pinning it down, it should look something like this, flat, like really flat, because if it doesn't lay flat, when you finally sew it down, you will have like bumpy closure. So it's really good to pin it down and let it lay very flat before you start sewing. So I'm just going to put this into a pony or just braid it just to get it out of my way before I start sewing. And guys, like, I am so not in the mood to make this wig today, but you know, someone's got to do something. So yeah, I'm just gonna like push myself to do this, and I'm also apologizing if you get really frustrated with the way I'm going to be showing you the videos, because it's like in bits and pieces. So for starters, I've gone ahead and threaded my needle, so I'm just going to start looping in. And if you know, I've always used the looping method to sew my wigs because that's really easy and fast. So I'm just going to be using that same method right now. I've got a couple of videos on my channel for wig making, and if you really want to know how to make a wig or how I make my wig, you can scroll down my channel and you'll definitely find my videos on how to make a wig. And if you want to see exactly how I made this one, you can also comment in the comment section and I'll post the full video. So this is how the closure looked after I've all sewn in down. So I went ahead and started sewing the weft in, and I pretty much loved how it was going. So now I'm down to the final last weft, and it looked really full. It was 3 bundles, and then I used, I think, about 2.5 bundles, and I've got like half bundles left. And yeah, this is the final of the fixing, and right now I'm doing the styling. So I went ahead and start using my hot iron just to press down that bumpy closure. As you know, I didn't do a lot of work on the closure. I just used it like that. There's no bleaching, no tinting, no plucking. I just used it like that. And yeah, that's the more reason why I need to like use my hot iron to press it down, just to give me that natural feel, natural look. Also, because I combed out the original curls, it was not really looking as tight and as cool as it should look. So I went ahead and started putting my personal curls in, and this is what kind of like my what do you call it, kind of like my customized personal curls. I love this curls so much because it gives a wig kind of like a natural feel. So that's what I did. I'll just turn around and show you these wigs. This is how the curls is looking, and the color kind of is popping. I can't wait to put this wig on my head. Guys, like, I have a feeling if I put this wig on my head, if I put this wig on my head, people, like, everything's gonna just flip. So yeah, I went ahead and did the other part, you know, try to like make the closure look really natural. And basically that's all for this wig. I'm just gonna go off camera and then come back with the final styling of this wig, and then put it on my head, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this wig, because there's no video without my final thoughts about this wig. So let's go. So this is the final look of the wig. This is the inside of the wig. I went ahead and added like a band inside. If you want to see how I achieve wigging this hair, just let me know and I'll definitely post the video. So this is a closure. I haven't done anything to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some concealer underneath it, and I'll show you how it looks. I always use my Avon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put that in there. The part actually looks right. Ew, can you see how really snug that wig is? Like really snug. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off this excess lace. Just gonna this over.
Kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall.
That basically looks so good. So this is the final look of this wig. Don't forget, I went ahead and wigged this hair myself. It's a 3-bundle wig with a closure, a 4x4 closure. As you can see, the closure looks so amazing. And if you really want to see how I wig this hair, just let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely upload the video so you guys can see. But this is just a simple, quiet review about the Molastar wig. I love this wig so much because I think they're really true to length. Look at the length of this wig. Like look at the 24 inches, like getting to me up to like here. Like guys, I am telling you guys, this wig is really true to length. The quality is amazing, really full. For 3 bundles and you get this much, like really look at it. So beautiful, guys, so beautiful. I love how everything came out. I'm gonna leave everything you need to know in the description box so you guys can check it out if you want to buy it. Sometimes I don't really like buying wigs because it doesn't come really full the way I like it, so that's why it's good to like buy bundles and then you can wig it the way you want it. So this is a 3 bundles wig, 24 3 places, and then a 16 inches closure, 4x4 closure. I'm gonna leave everything you need to know in the description box so you guys can check it out. You also get like a discount if you buy through my link, and you will definitely get discounts on your purchases. And don't forget, this hair is from Molastar WIG. You can definitely find them on Facebook and they're on AliExpress as well. Also, this color is a 99, I think a 1B 99J. So there's a 1B as the ombre and then the 99J on this. A little bit too shouty for me if you ask me, but it's a really beautiful color. You can decide to comb it, but I'm not gonna comb this wig today. I'm gonna just rock it like this. But yeah, this is the final look of this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, girl, what are you even doing? Go click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know. In the meantime, guys, do not forget, drink lots and lots of water, moisturize, and I'll definitely be seeing you in another video. Bye guys.
So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything?